This is Dave Reese of BlueRail Trains. Today I'm going to show you how to use a BlueRail board so you can use your smart device to run a conventional train set and control layout, lighting, or accessories. I'm going to be using a little Bachmann trolley cable car, but it should work with most conventional trains. You probably know BlueRail plug-in boards let you run a locomotor and control up to 4 loco lights through Bluetooth Low Energy. The board takes a 9-pin NMRA plug and can be powered by a regular DC or DCC transformer. So from the colored 9 wires plugged into the board, I've run the red and black wires to the transformer so the board is receiving power. The orange and gray wires normally run to the locomotor. Instead, I've routed these to power a regular train set and just hook them up to the track. Now if you launch the BlueRail app, as long as the board is receiving power, it should show up in the app, and it has. I've named this board Train Set. And if I go inside the train, I should be able to run the little cable car. I'm using the throttle here, and I can control both speed and direction. Now I've gone through a box of old locos that I have, and I've been able to run them. For the little cable car, I had to change the tunings a little in the advanced tuning panel settings for the board in the app. I'll post an article on the BlueRail site with more about that. But locos with standard size DC CAN motors should work well with the default settings. Let's run this one. So how about lighting buildings and triggering accessories? Well, remember, the board is designed to run 4 lights or accessories. These correspond to the white, yellow, green, and violet wires coming from the board. The board also has a blue wire that acts as a common power for accessories, which has been brought down to the right level for powering LED lights. So I've run these 4 wires out, and I'm using them to light some structures on the layout. You can control them from within the app. Alright, let's turn these on. So inside the interface, you just slide open the light panel, and I've got my 4 controls that I can run. And I'll turn each one on and off. And the light panel lets you configure each one either as on-off, as a flashing element, or as a switch. So as a switch, you could use that to trigger a relay, control a turnout, or activate whatever you want. So I'm sure your layout will be much nicer than mine. I built mine in 10 minutes using my test track, but there you have it. 1,000,001 uses for a BlueRail board. This is Dave Reese of BlueRail Trains. Have fun running your old trains with a BlueRail board.